Today we'll learn a quick and easy way to import the cost of goods and product prices from a CSV file previously edited with Excel, Google Sheets or any other spreadsheet editor software out there. We'll use the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin, which allows you to apply bulk changes to thousands of products, do advanced searches using any product field as a search parameter, export products with a few clicks, and even create or update hundreds of products by importing the information from a CSV file as we'll do in this video. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to see our written guide. To import the cost of goods and product prices, it is necessary to have an Excel or Google Sheets CSV containing at least these 4 columns. Then, we'll save the file if we're working with Excel, but if you're working with Google Sheets you'll need to download the file. Now, let's import the CSV file using the import tool. Then select the source of the document, in this case the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import. And hit Next. Select to import all the columns. Here, select to create new items and update existing items. Then you will be prompted to enter a column from your CSV file and a WordPress field so that the new information can be entered into the correct product. In this case, we'll select Record ID here, and ID here. And click Next to go on. Now you'll see a preview of how the info will look imported, so click here and your import process will start. In some seconds, all the cost of goods and product prices will be imported, and you'll see them all on the spreadsheet. As you can see, importing the cost of goods and product prices is not a problem for the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin. You can definitely forget about editing the products one by one, and the best thing is that you don't need to have internet connection to edit the cost of goods and product prices, or any other information. Once you have internet connection, just import the products following the steps in this video, and everything will be done quickly. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.